You probably eat it every day, unless you're allergic. It's everywhere, and when consumed in large amounts, it has the potential to cause you some serious health problems. The United States, especially, are huge fans of one product made out of this ingredient. What it's talked about. Let's finally reveal what it is and explain how exactly can it harm you and your health. That's right. The potentially dangerous ingredient are peanuts. Well, more precisely, more kinds of nuts and corn as well. It's not a secret that Americans love peanut butter, and you can find it almost everywhere, from PB&J, Reese's, to all kinds of baked goods and recipes. The same goes for corn. It's literally almost everywhere, from corn tortillas, popcorn to cornstarch, etc. Peanuts or corn themselves are not harmful, but issues arise once there is mold present as well. And why exactly is mold so bad for our health? Well, the answer is because mold produces toxins. To be precise, specifically the kind of mold usually affecting peanuts and corn produces aflatoxin B1. Once you eat something, it starts getting digested. And later in the process, the food you eat travels through the gastrointestinal tract to the small intestine. What happens there is that your body is trying to use all of the nutrients from the food you ate and transfers these nutrients together with the blood and its contents to the liver, where it gets metabolized. In the liver, the enzyme called cytochrome P450 converts aflatoxin B1 to its form aflatoxin B1 exo 8,9 epoxide. And this exact metabolite causes huge issue in your body. Why? It's because aflatoxin B1 exo 8,9 epoxide works as an adduct in relation to our DNA. This means that there is something extra in the DNA structure that's not supposed to be there. This metabolite pairs with guanosine and later causes problems during the cell cycle. More specifically, the adduct causes mutation in tumor suppressor genes. We will get into what these are later in this video. Now, to really understand the whole problematics, let's take a look at why do tumors even grow. What is the cause of their growth? Well, our cells are constantly dividing and replicating their genetic information to ensure that all of our somatic cells will contain the same amount of this genetic information. The cells with odd number of chromosomes are suspicious even for our immune system. Anyways, this cell cycle has some regulatory mechanisms, and if these fail, the tumor starts growing uncontrollably. And the bigger the tumor is, the more problematic the excision is. Now, let's get back into the previously mentioned tumor suppressor genes. If there is a mutation in these tumor suppressor genes, the cell cycle gets dysregulated and we have some serious issues here with tumor growth. It's always important to remember that moderation is the key. Don't be afraid to eat nuts and corn, but just take into consideration that if the nut or corn tastes weird or the color doesn't look as it should, it's probably better that you throw it out. That would be it for today's video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more interesting medical facts and content, and see you next time.